Fucking you is something that I like to do.
Talk your feet, pussy friend.
Dub plate style, you don't know. Ranger, aka the British Jamaican, otherwise known as Maxwell Lee. Yeah, the girl them say they want way, but we have to tell them, hey Team Flexi, dub plate style, tell the girl do.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless 11 greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, the 23rd of January. Yes, man, my viewers and subscribers, big up everybody in anyone today. You know the man of peace, though. We say give thanks to life. Yes, I say give thanks to another day. Yes, man. In this episode, we have boom boom. Address and a highlight the pussy friend them. You see me? And we have Team Flexi birthday forward this weekend. Don't to be miss it. I go shell Basmati. Yes man. You see me? I don't know more big up the Empress Duana. I represent from the song and send me a video. No respect my viewers and subscribers. But before we kick off the local vlog, yeah, I don't know. We're going to pay the bills. We are forward.
I watch them on the Jumgle represent for Lionfoot TV. Yeah, Ringy. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots.
Alright. Big up yourself in the Jumgle. Anyway, there, you continue keeping it real. You see me I say? Viewers and subscribers, you don't know. We're kicking off the vlog right now. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. So first and foremost, I big up the Empress Duana. You know what I mean? And you don't know, big up UK Black Slave, you know what I mean, to make it possible. Get a video for the song, Happiest Man. Zane, so watch where I go on.
Fucking you is something that I like to do. You are the glue, and I lie me, I tell you what you.
Yes, man, so I don't know my single that Happiest Man, the official video is out now. That's what I say, and I don't know, I'm going to leave the link in the description and comment section so you can click the link and go watch it. See it? And give me the support. Yes, man, so big up Duana once more. So I say, any female out there want to give me a video or a male too, you know what I mean? Can do a video and send it to me, you know what I mean? Or tag me. You see it? Yes, man, so with no further delay, you know, Team Flexi birthday party are forward the 26th of January this weekend, you seen? Yes, man, so big up everybody, roll out, but anyway, watch what I go on.
Dub plate style, you don't know. Ranger, aka the British Jamaican, otherwise known as Maxwell Lee. Yeah, the girl them say they want way, but we have to tell them, hey Team Flexi, dub plate style, tell the girl do. Hello, N-O. Some girl kitty that's a echo. Tiny kitty girl you never let go. Oh, they take you never sell out. Hello.
Nah, look. Team Flexi not see them. Nah, pre them. How that when I notice? In the darkest glass, why? Flexi, nah look. No, she nah look. Team Flexi, nah look. Watch I know no. Mash up the place and you nah look. Play a big tune and you nah look. No baby pop tune and no brand push.
From here the fight, you know, so we representing for Team Flexi. Yo, send artists a road in a Flexi. Send them a road. Team Flexi.
This is Universe Production.
Black Rhythm.
Basmati shell.
Boy pick up spend shell. Mexican badness cartel. 4 or 5 cent boy soul go hell. Rest in peace and swell.
Shell.
Boy pick up spend shell. Mexican badness cartel.
I mean say lion attack and a dog a bark. From the voice, you know it's BNG representing for Team Flexi. Flexi, you have the good, possess the good, you have the good. Hey Flexi, your reputation is key. Guard it with your life. Flexi, your reputation good a road, and your name good a street. Girl, nobody can style you. Brilliant the beat. Nah, you find it again, you da doing a sweet. When this can custom hear this, them a be move them feet. Them a big up our working class people. You know the time of me. Shut.
Party time, weekend a party time. Me a go enjoy myself and look a girl fi wine. Yo, me say party time, weekend a party time. no to gunman. Yes to fun, really now no time for crying.
Yes, man. So Team Flexi birthday celebration, the 26th of January. See? At the Jungle Bar. You don't know, one part of Stockwell there. So you see it, I don't know, £10. And just come roll out and come enjoy yourself. And you don't know what the parties are going to pass through. You're going to get a live performance. So, you know, as Team Flexi say, support the artist with a clean heart. You see me? I don't know, LA Fridays, LA Radio. You see me? I say, yes, man. Zine, a shell, basmati shell, man. You see, so this Friday, the 26th of January, Team Flexi birthday party. Roll out, and big up London at Radio 2. You see it? Yes, man. Tune in each and every Friday, LA Fridays, Team Flexi entertain you. So me I said, the baddest female disc jockey right now. So big up everybody. Roll out and come support Team Flexi. Alright, you don't know. Lion Foot, I got that if you know what I mean. Lion Foot, I will be there in person. You know what I mean? Need a signature. I know we're a star. Yes, yeah, man. Big up Team Flexi. But anyway, boom. Burn a fire already upon some of the posty friend them. Yes, man. I always say this, you know. And a real life. You know what I mean? Some people don't want to see you prosper, want to see you fly, want to see you pass them in a life. You know what I mean? I don't want to see you make it in a life equally like them. You see? So, here a boom, I said.
Talk your face, pussy friend. We're looking at your face. I smile with you. And at the end of the day, don't know how you do better than them, dog. Do you see life? What is for you? Gonna be for your next man. I don't know how you're keeping alive. Do you like blood clot?
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jumping in the brain when I shut up the skin.
Yes, man. So you hear a boom, I say world boom. Big up yourself, world boom. A real solid talk, man. Real solid talk. You know, you have some people who don't want to say you do better than them or reach the level where them do. Them just all for themselves. They don't want to share the food. Them selfish, bad mind, covetous. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Some people feel like say them alone for rise and them alone for they at the top and eat food. You know what I mean? And them alone for live happy life and them picnic. You see me? Them just want to use your train to energy and them alone arise and evolve in a life. You see me? So big up boom, a real talk. You see how Massacre them drop a big song. Remember Massacre did underrated. Nobody never support him and rate him, and you know the man do it. All with the help of co-retard also, because we can't left out co-retard because co-retard pick up him career and start manage, which is proper management, you see me? And co-retard a big businessman. Just like the Alkaline. Alkaline never get no support and the man just find him one girl song and you know get the breakthrough and start doing things and evolve and look at Alkaline today. You see my viewers and subscribers. So you have to just believe in yourself and don't depend on people because some people are going to give you a fake smile. You see me I say? Yes, and you know what like them with you but deeply them don't want to see your progress in their life. You see it? That's just my personal opinion and a facts. Yeah, man, so just believe in yourself and no make nobody tell you say you can't win. You see me? No make nobody tell you say you're not good. Whatever you aspire in life, aim towards it and work hard. You see me? And don't sit down and wait for nobody for help. Because none of them only pretend. You see it? Anyway, you know the man of peace, you know, I say give thanks to life, health and strength. You know, don't forget to like and share the content. And remember this Friday, roll out and come party and celebrate with Team Flexi. Zine? Yes, man, Seafood Fridays at the Jungle Bar. I'm part of Stockwell Road there. You see me and say? Yeah, man. Blessed love, man. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, yeah, man. The man of peace. Lion Foot, you know? Yeah, man. Boom, come.
Party time. Weekend a party time. Me a go enjoy myself and look a girl fi wine.